Hey guys, welcome back to Vlogmas Day 1, I guess. Welcome back to another vlog, of course, but I'm actually going to be doing Vlogmas this year. And at least for Vlogmas Day 1, it is going to go pretty late because I'm starting this at 5:16. I didn't do much because I have finals coming up and stuff, so I'm just studying most of the time. But today I'm gonna go out and eat with my friend because it's my last weekend here, and then we're gonna do a little bit of shopping, so I'm gonna take you guys with me. And yeah, I just got ready today, some very simple makeup, and I'm gonna do my roommate's makeup before she heads out to her probably party or something. So I got the veggie tacos. There's some big slices of avocado in there.
Oh my god, yes.
I thought you said turkey taco. Turkey, of course. What you get, mama?
Steak. Yeah.
Amy has air. You have some air.
500 calorie diet.
No. So I'm back from the mall, sorry, and I went to TJ Maxx, as you guys can see. So the first thing that I got was actually for a Secret Santa thing that I have, and I just got these cute hand creams. I actually like hand creams a lot, and these are the perfect size for people to have in their bags. So this one is rose, shea butter, and green tea, and I also got a little bag to put it inside. And then I also went on like a little candle spree. I never really buy candles, but they were so cheap at TJ Maxx, so let me just show you guys. I'm just gonna unwrap them real quick. Okay, so these are the 4 that I got. Thumbnail. So I got 2 big ones and 2 small ones, and the big ones were only $7 and the little ones were $3, which makes sense because they're literally half the size. The first one that I got was this lavender one, and it says relax. It is lavender and chamomile, whatever, and it's so cute. Inside it has create. Inside it says to create your own calm, so I might actually burn this one tonight. It's so like pure. That's the only way I can describe it. Maybe I can find something else that says something more about it, because I'm not the best at describing, but it's very pure, and the scent is actually very apparent. Like sometimes you smell some candles and you kind of have to scratch it to smell it without it burning, but this one just smells good right from the start. The second big one that I got this one because of the packaging is so pretty. It has like a cork lid, and then everything around it, it's like all these flowers, and I actually smell it like from here too. This one is peony, you guys, I don't know how to pronounce anything, and rose, and it says it's hand poured in Southern California, the soy wax, which soy waxes are actually better than the regular ones because the other ones have like toxins when it's burned, and it's also infused with essential oils. Yep, this one's really pretty. I actually want to buy this one so I can maybe gift it to somebody as part of their Christmas gift because it's just really pretty. So this is the second candle that I got. Then on to the last two little ones. I actually have a gardenia one back at home. So this one is a jungle gardenia. It's also a soy candle. And this one's very, very fresh. I would say this is like the freshest scent out of all of them. And the last one is a green tea one. And this is also soy. It doesn't actually say, but it tastes, I did not taste this. It smells really good. It does not smell like a green tea, I would say, but it smells more of like a citrusy fruit. And yeah, so these are actually all so good. I am gonna be burning the purple one today, but here's my little candle haul. So I know that this vlog was very short, but I am at school and I wanted to spend some time with my friends, so I wasn't like vlogging every second. So I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. I really enjoyed doing this. This vlog is gonna go up really late because right now it's like 9 o'clock, so by the time this is up it might be like midnight, so I actually have to rush and edit this right away. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog, and I will see you guys tomorrow, or actually in a couple days, because I'm gonna combine the next few vlogs of me at school, and then once I'm home I'm gonna be doing the daily uploads. Yeah, just subscribe if you guys like this video, also like it, and I'll see you guys in the next one.